said that I was changing my hair, but like it's black now. But honestly, it looks better than the blonde. I went to the freezer to get my ice cream and I saw this. I put this in the fridge like how many months ago and I haven't touched it. So I'm just like, and it's cold. So it doesn't do anything. I don't have class till 2, that's why I'm kind of chilling. And it's 11, I have a quiz today. It's not cold anymore, so it's not enjoyable. I'm going to get ready and I will see you when I'm done. My ice cream is melted completely. It's 11:45 and I need to go and eat. So I don't forget because I be forgetting to eat all the time. Every single time. We're not doing that. So yeah. I'm so early today, like even yesterday I was pretty early. Like, I finished on time. Usually I'm either running out the door or my dad has to drop me at the bus stop because I'm late. But this week I've been good. But yesterday it was so snowy, like all the buses didn't come for the hour, which was ridiculous. I was spending, what am I saying? I spent like 40 minutes waiting outside in the cold with my very thin jacket because the weather outside was 5 degrees. But it was so windy, like, and I went to school late. But you know, it was fine because we didn't have to do anything. Right now, I'm just looking at notes because I don't want to fail this test. I was going to give you a mini haul. So I went to return a couple of things I bought on Tuesday. I got this off-shoulder top. It's so cute, like I honestly don't remember buying it. And I got the black version of this top I got. Did I just say top? This jacket thing. And honestly, I really like it. I love the white version, so I just got a black because it fit me so well. And I was just like, I might need another one. So yeah, those are the two I got. I already had time picking out, but like, I think these are staples that I will need and wear all the time. So. Okay, so a little taste test. We'll see. I'm so scared of opening this on my bed. Like, the last time I opened it, poured everywhere. Okay. Moment of truth. It's probably gonna be good. Ew, it's so mid. It's just there. Okay, so taste test for this. I just saw it and oh god, I had to get help. But it's really good. Why LA shouting? Okay, so these are the new glasses. I had to get my braces done, and then they were like, "Oh, you can come pick them up now." So I got them. They look like my old ones, the brown looking ones. They look nice. They have this blue filter. That's why it looks blue. But I like them. I'm having ice cream because my teeth hurt. and I was braiding my mom's hair, or twisting my mom's hair. But she just took a break right now, so I'm watching YouTube too. Good morning. Okay. So I have a job interview today by 1 and it's almost 11. It's really close to school. So I'm just like gonna go and not come back, obviously. I have so much time left. So I'm going to go to the post office because I have a package that I sent somebody that hasn't gotten to them in like 3 weeks, which is crazy. And it keeps going back and forth. So I'm going to go and see what the problem is. I'll collect my money back if they can't fix it, because God. And then I also want to drop my resume at this place, but it doesn't open until 11. That's why I'm stalling, so that when I just go, I'll just get there and then drop it off and then move.